Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today's recipe is steamed vegetable buns with mushroom called 香菇青菜包, which are vegetarian friendly. The bun stuffing is a combination of dried shiitake mushrooms and baby bok choy. They are a natural pair. Let's get started. First, soak 30 grams of dried shiitake mushrooms 2 hours in advance. I have to say that the dried shiitake mushrooms have a much stronger flavor than the fresh ones. Next up, make a dough. Prepare 350 grams of flour, 180 milliliters of water, 3 grams of yeast. Add the yeast to the flour. Slowly add the water while stirring with chopsticks until the water is used up. Knead the flour drops into a dough with your hands, just like this. Cover with cling film and let it rest for 40 minutes. Make the fillings. Baby bok choy washed. Cut off the roots with a knife. Remaining 350 grams. To keep the green color, add 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda in the water when blanching. The time of blanching should not be too long, preferably no more than 10 seconds. Otherwise, the grains will lose their crispness. Take out, rinse with cold water chopped. Squeeze the water out of the grains by hand. Transfer to a bowl. Soaked shiitake mushrooms. Cut into small cubes. Look at the seasonings for the stuffing. 1 teaspoon of sugar, 1 teaspoon of sesame oil, 1/2 teaspoon of chicken powder, 1/4 teaspoon of allspice powder, 1 teaspoon of salt, 2 tablespoons of oil. Put the diced mushrooms and baby bok choy into a large bowl. Add chicken powder, sugar, oil, sesame oil, allspice powder, salt. Mix well. Set aside. The dough is ready. Sprinkle some flour on the work surface. Knead the dough until smooth, about 3 minutes. Use your finger to poke a hole in the middle of the dough to make a swim ring shape. Break it. Then cut into 2 parts. Take one. Stretch and knead into a long cylinder. Divide it evenly into 8 small doughs. Flip them. Sprinkle some flour. Flatten each one with your hand. Make wrappers with a rolling pin, just like this. Get 8 wrappers. Put some fillings on the wrapper. Pinch the edges together while rotating, just like this. Do the same with the rest wrappers. Make 8 buns. Arrange the buns in the steamer. Cover and let them rest for 10 minutes before steaming. Turn on the heat. Steam for 10 minutes after the water boils. Then turn off the heat. Do not open the lid right away. Let the steamer cool at least 5 minutes to prevent the bun skin from shrinking. Delicious vegan steamed vegetable buns with mushroom is ready. If you like today's recipe, give a try and subscribe for more Chinese cooking videos. Thank you for watching and see you next time.